champagne, Moscato, or something as a gift. So first I have this bottle of Moscato. It does have a really cute label anyway, but I'm going to change it. I'm going to go ahead and leave the back on so it tells you know, the person I give it to, you know, what it is. And so the first thing I'm going to do is take the label off. I'm going to use Goo Goo Gone, and I'm going to spray it and just let it sit, I think for like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, and then this should just peel right off. Okay, so I rinsed the rest of it off, and there's just like a little bit of the glue, and you just take rubbing alcohol, and it comes right off. And you just have to dry it. So that now there's no residue on there, and then I left the back still on. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna print the design that you want for the bottle on vinyl. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so how I started was I just kind of measured the area that I wanted to do, and this way as well, to kind of get an idea how big the image should be. And so I did 4 inches this way is what I gave myself in width, and then in length I did like 5 inches. And we are ready to start putting it on.